Okay, guys, this is probably the last, one of the last unboxings of the year. I got 2 packages in. I've, for the most part, unboxed them. We are just gonna kind of see what we have here. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Da, 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 da. Marvel Mystery Comics 35. Pretty awesome. From September of 42, you got Submariner and Human Torch fighting the Nazis. You can see they're getting their their boats. Just a really cool book. It's a 1.8, but yeah, happy to have it. Brittle pages, don't really care for that age. Obviously, would prefer better grade page quality, but for early 40s, I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. And it's a tough book to get, so I believe that's a Schomburg too, isn't it? Yeah, Schomburg cover. So, and this other book just got in via trade with WW2 Comics. So shout out to WW2. Let's see how it looks in person. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. I kind of wanted I mean, I'm going after these anti-Nazi covers, so this is really neat. It's from 1941. Hitler cover, Stanley text story, origin of Captain Terror and the Vagabond, Last Bastille, Wolverton, Rocket Man. So you can kind of see it's in the New York City subway. Hopefully the glare doesn't take it all. But it's a 2.5. Nice looking book. So yeah, this is not a Schomburg, but just a really good book. I mean, there's so many freaking swastikas on there. They're just going after those Nazis, so pretty cool. So yeah, we got, again, Marvel Mystery 35 from 1942 and USA Comics number 2 from 1941. Cool books. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.